today our sales meeting, our weekly sales meeting is every Tuesday from 12 to 1. And the purpose of a sales meeting is that everybody in our team meet together for 1 solid hour and we focus on our critical buyers and critical sellers. Basically, here in our company, we believe that every day for our buyers clients, we believe to show homes every day, homes that match our buyers criteria that's not available online. For sale by owners, homes that's previously listed, foreclosure, new construction. So every week, every Tuesday, just like today, if during that week, if my buyer's agent partners cannot find homes that match the buyer's agent, our buyer's criteria, then they come here and then we're gonna share. Then we're gonna mastermind together as a team. Together we're coming up with ideas to which one is it that we can show to our buyers clients. Same thing with our sellers. So with my listing agent partners, every week, every Tuesday from 12 to 1, we meet together just for the purpose of going through our weekly business plan. The weekly business plan for our listing agent partner is basically when the customers hire us to sell their home, when homeowners hire us to sell their home, then our commitment is to submit offers every week. So with our Arbit system, we guarantee the owner of the house to receive an offer every week. So in the event that we don't have an offer on that house, then my listing agent partner every Tuesday is gonna come here. Together we're gonna mastermind, we're gonna go through our 10 sales strategy to make sure that that home have multiple offers within the following week. So this is an awesome, this is the most important, I think this is the heartbeat of our system here, where every week together as a round table mastermind discussion, and the purpose is only one, that is to remove barriers, either to submit multiple offers for the homeowners who hire us, or for home buyers who hire us, is to make sure we are able to submit an offer on homes that match our clients' criteria, including homes that's not available online. So every Tuesday from 12 to 1, this is another super awesome, extremely productive sales meeting today. If you are watching this, once again, if you've never been to our team, I'd like to invite you for a private backstage tour so you can see the inner working of our team system. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159, and come on in. Let me show you around so you can eavesdrop a little bit some of the conversation we have at today's sales meeting from Tuesday 12 to 1.